find the things which y'all don't understand out of the papers, right? The things which we have. Yeah. Anybody have any doubts, anything about any questions which you want to go through about the textbooks we have? Anybody found any questions, guys? No one? No one had any questions. Okay, then let's.
So what is the name of the uh, combine of two uh, triangular prisms? Sorry.
You're talking about the like this one,
Yeah, yeah.
octahedron.
Okay.
I think what you're talking about that, right? Octahedron. It's not triangular, like it's square-based pyramids. Two square-based pyramids together. Anyway, so what are the papers we have done so far, Pute? Let's have a look. We did North Central Province 2019. And after that, we did Western Province 2019. And Royal College paper we did. Yeah, that's what we did so far. North Central Province, Central Province. So, so today what we are going to do is Western Province 2021 paper. That's also a very nice paper. I really like the way they have done it. Yeah, I don't think there was any issues or anything about it overall. Let's see. Alrighty. Okay. I hope that everybody got the paper by now. It should be there in your Zoom chat within no time. What's this thing? Here we go. Okay, but I have sent it to the Zoom chat as well for all of y'all. Okay. So everybody, let's try to do the first 20 questions. Yeah. I'll give you all 20 minutes. Okay, guys. And your time will start now. Good luck. Are we ready, guys? Everybody good? Jifra and
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Sorry? Are you done with it? Jifra, I didn't hear you properly.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yaya Puta and Tarim Pute. Anybody needs more time? Anybody needs 5 minutes? No one? Okay, let's start up then. Everybody come here, Pute. Now let's do it bit by bit. And by the way, I'm so sorry. At the very beginning, when I started the class, one of the students started to text me like nothing. And you might have even seen like I was like looking here and there. Yeah. It was just because like it was a little bit of I had my PTI today, like parent teachers day at school. And then when I came I got late. And then yeah, it was not the best day. Yeah. Yesterday was good because I saw Jifra, who is Damsi, to send me a message. Aya was there. All of y'all, yeah. I was so happy. Yesterday was a very happy day. Today was not the best day. Yeah. But anyway, now onwards, I hope that it will become better. Anyway, let's move on. Underline the figure which shows the angle 135. Pute, definitely 135 is what type of angle, Pute? 135 is a what type of angle? What do we call those angles?
Obtuse.
Obtuse. So obtuse angle is an angle which is more than 90 but less than 180. Something like this, isn't it? Ah, that is number 3. That is number 3. Yeah. Next one. Write the coordinate of the P point. P point, what is the X value? Pute 3. What is the Y value? Pute 5. 3 comma 5. Mark the point Q. 4, 0. That means X value 4, Y value don't move up or down. Yeah. Yeah. So it will be the point Q which is 4 comma 0. All good? Next one. Represent the set A in the Venn diagram. Yeah, A. Square numbers between uh, 20 and 50. So 5 square, 25. 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. That's it, right? So those are the elements of it. But is that the thing which they are asking? No. This is element. They are asking how put it as a Venn diagram. So how are we going to do? A circle 25, 36, 49. Everybody good? 30 and 45 written as follows. Highest common factor. Pute. Yeah. What do we do in these cases? First, write it as like a power, then it's easy. Now, either you can use the easy method which I have taught, but when they have given it like this, how do we use it? We write it with powers 2 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 1. This is 3 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 1. What are the common numbers which both of them have? When you are trying to find the highest common factor, you need to find the common numbers and the lowest powers of. What are the common numbers we can see? 3 and 5.
3.
What is the lowest power of 3? There's a 1 power, 2 power, 1 power is the lowest. 1 power, 1 power, 1 power is the lowest. 3 times 5 is the highest common factor. 3 times 5 is a 15. That's the way of doing it like this. But if they don't say a method, what do? We write down 30 and 50, 45, and we start to divide by the smallest number we can, 3. That's a 10 and a 15. And the other one is 5. 2 and a 3. 3 times 5, that's a 15. Next one. Underline the correct statement given below. 2 to the power of 5 equals 32. 5 to the power of, no, that's wrong. 2 to the power 5 is 32. That is the correct one. Statements, can you see? That means there can be 2 as well. 2 to the power of 5. Base is 2, power is 5. That is correct. Those are the 2 correct answers. Oh, goody. Next one. Negative 3 over 13 plus will be a plus 7 over 13. The answer will be 4 over 13.
So I can understand how to add those like questions.
What with it? You can understand how to do the addition of those type of questions.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll teach you. Okay. Now, Pute, we have negative 3 over 13 plus 7 over 13. Now we have the. Can you see here a double symbol is there, Tarin?
Yes, sir.
So positive double symbol will become what, Pute? Can you remember? Positive will become a
Positive.
positive, plus is a plus. Now, Pute, can you look here and tell me, yeah, negative 3 and positive 7, are the denominators same in the fractions? Yes, the denominators of the fractions are same. So, we can add and subtract the numerators, Pute. Negative 3 and a negative positive 7, right? Negative
Yes.
3 and positive 7. Where will they both meet each other? I mean, like, what will happen? Negative 3 and a positive 7. You are at negative 3 and you're going positive 7 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 4 over 30. Do you get it, Pute?
Yes, sir.
Very good. All right. Did everybody understand that, Puta? Everyone good? Okay, Pute, tell me, what is 9 plus 20? That's a 29. That can happen. What is 11 plus 9? That's a 20 months. Is there anything called 20 months? No, right? 20 months means what, Pute? 12 months and another 8 months. That means 1 year, yeah, and 8 months. Do you get it, Pute? So 1 year will go to the neighbor, 8 months will come down. Okay? And then 1 year and 15 and 1 is 16. 16 with the 10 is 26. 26 years is the answer. Alright, next one. In the given figure, 4 equal parts are removed from the square lamina. Draw all axes of symmetry in the given figure. So what are the axes of symmetries we can see here? We can see here, Pute, there's a one axis of symmetry going like this. Another axis of symmetry can go like this, isn't it? Another axis of symmetry can go like this, isn't it, Pute? And also, that's not it. Another axis of symmetry can go like this. All good, everybody? That's it. Next one. Now, can somebody quickly shout out? What should I do first?
Division.
Division. So 21 minus 66 divided by 6? 11.
11.
21 take away 11?
10. 10.
10 is the answer. Very good. Then put there 3a, 7a minus a, 8a. 3a and a 7a, that's a 10a. 10a minus 8a, that's a 2a. 5b minus 4b, that's just a 1b. Fill in the blanks. This figure shows a net of a what, Pute? Who can remember what is this?
Triangular prism.
Very good. Triangular prism. It has 6 vertices, 9 edges, and how many faces? Anipute, you can count the number of faces.
5 faces.
5 faces. Very easy. That was like a easy peasy question, isn't it? Write 3 over 20 as a percentage. What is a percentage? Percentage means out of 100, right? So this 20 to become 100, what should I do, Pute?
Multiplied by 5.
Multiply by 5. So these 3 also we are gonna multiply by 5, Pute. What will I get?
15. 15.
15 out of 100 means 15%. 15%. All good? Find the value of this. This thing value will be 23165. I'm making it into milliliters. So 23,165 milliliters divided by 5. Let's do that first. And then let's make it into milliliters or liters again. But this is currently in milliliters. Because we know 23 liters are how many milliliters? 23,000, right? So how many 5s can go into 2? 0 left over 2. How many 5s can go into 23? That's a 4 left over 3. How many 5s can go into 30? That's a 6 left over 1. This is a 3 left over 1. This is a 3. I get the answer 4,633 milliliters. But am I going to keep the answer like that, Pute? Are we going to keep the answer like that? No. But how should we keep the answer? Yeah, they have given the question in liters, milliliters. So we need to keep the answer milliliters, milliliters. What is the answer going to be then? How should I write it?
4 liters and 633 milliliters.
Very good. If 2 centimeters represents 16 meters, okay. What is the scale? 2 centimeters to 16 meters. But we need to make the units same to cancel off the units, right? So 2 centimeters are equal to 16 with double, sorry, why did I write 60 by mistake? 16 with double 0 centimeters, centimeters to centimeters cancel. 2 to 1600, which we can divide it by 2 timetables. Yeah, which will be 1 to 800. 1 to 800. The center of the given circle is P. Fill in the blanks according to the figure. There are 3 radius given in the figure. 2 of them are AP, PQ, and the other one is PB. Isn't it, Pute? PB. Yeah, this length AP, PQ, PB. The diameter of the figure is Yeah, A to B. Because one corner to the other corner from the center, A to B. Many people wrote YX because they were thinking the code is diameter. That's all right, but let's start up. Sorry about that. Somebody, like me, my neighbors, two kids are there, and apparently the akka has been calling Malli in almost like those screaming out. We call it like Ugura. I had like they that person have been shouting so badly. I heard like somebody was somebody was trying to kill somebody. That's why I got scared. Apparently the sister is calling the brother. Very interesting. Anyway, area. So what is the area here, Pute? There is a rectangle. The area here is 10 times by 2. That is a 20. Yeah. This is a 5 and they are saying this is 2 and this is 2 as well because one line, one line. This is also 2 centimeters. 5 times 2 is 10 centimeters squares. This is 20 centimeters squares. So area is going to be 20 plus 10, that is 30 centimeter squares. Perimeter and the area of this rectangle is this and this. Okay. So if the perimeter is 40, perimeter got two lengths and two widths. Am I right? Then a one length and a one width will be how much? Pute? One length and a one width will be one length and a one breadth. Breadth we call it breadth, no? One breadth will be how much? Pute? Two lengths and two breadths are 40. Then a one of them will be length and breadth together. That's a 20. Got it? But the length multiplied by the breadth together, that's a 75. So you need to figure out which number multiplied by which may adds up to a 20 multiplies to a 75. And we totally know that is what Pute? 15 times 5 Pute. 15 times 5. 15 times 5 makes a 75. 15 and 5 adds up to 20 of giving you a perimeter of the 40. So length is 15 centimeters, breadth is 5 centimeters. Next one. Fill in the blanks using suitable words given in the bracket. In this polygon, all sides are equal, but angles are not equal. This is what Pute? Convex. This convex because we can see all angles are going outwards, right? None of them are going inwards or inside into the shape. Convex polygon is not a regular polygon as its all sides are equal but angles are different. That means it's a square got tilted. What is that called? As yeah, it is a
Rhombus.
what? It is a rhombus. It is a rhombus. Next one. Mass of an exercise book is 237 grams. The mass of 10 such books will be 237 grams multiplied by 10. That will be 2370 grams. But they want it in kilograms, just kilograms. That means divided by 1000. That means the decimal point here will move 3 places forward. And that will give us 2.37 kilograms. 2.37 kilograms with the 2.37 kilograms. Find the volume of the given cuboid. So the volume will be what Pute? 20 times by 10 times by 8. 20 times 10 is a 200 times by 8, that is 1600 centimeter cubes. 1600 centimeter cubes. Everyone good with that? Yep. Okay. Let's start with part 2. All right. Maybe let's give a start to do the first two questions. First two questions, okay? I will give you all time to do the first two questions, maybe 15 minutes. But if anybody needs more than that, yes, I can give you another 5 more minutes, okay? Alrighty, guys. Then your time to do first two questions will start now. Done? Pute, anybody needs more time? Anyone? To do first two questions, anyone needs more time? No one? Everybody good? Everybody good? Very good. So let's have a look, Pute. Yeah. So what is it saying here? For the words height, depth, width, and thickness are described a length. Recall your knowledge about activities, solved problem done using the unit length as millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers. Write two units of length used in ancient time to measure lengths. Okay, Tarin, what did you write?
Gower and Hoover.
Huh?
Gower and Hoover.
Gower and
Hoover.
Hoover. Okay, interesting. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Those are Sri Lankan ancient ones.
Centimeter and meters.
No, ancient one, no, not. By the way, Gaua means, I think your Gaua means yards, right? I don't know. Hoover means
Yes.
pute hoots. That's for sure. Hoots. Okay? In English, we call it hoots. I don't know Gaua, I think yards maybe.
Oh.
Okay? Hoots and I think yards. Okay? Damsita, what did you write? Ancient ones.
Meters and centimeters.
No, no, Pute. Is it ancient? We are currently using law. Are you ancient? No, no. Jifta, what did you write?
Foot and inches.
Foot are correct. Inches are still used, Pute. It's not ancient. Okay. Pute, miles. Yeah. Hoots. What else? Feet. What else? There are many things. Yeah. Like this, what is it? Shoulder length or whatever they call it. I can't remember what you call. Yeah. Yar, what do you call it in? Maybe yar, I don't know. Yeah, those type of things. Anyway, write two relations between the units. Okay. So we know Pute, these are the relations. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. If you wrote either one of them, two of them, that's good. How many meters are there in this much? So kilometers into meters, what should we do? But they multiply by 1,000. So 2,850 meters. Write the length this in centimeters. This means how much? Pute? 58 times by 100. No. So 5,800 plus centimeter 7. So 5,807 centimeters. 8 pieces of wires with the length 21 centimeters 9 millimeters cut out from a roll of wire with the length 5 meters. Find the length remaining wire when it was removed. So Pute, 5 meters means 500 centimeters, which is 5,000 millimeters. From that, 210 and a 9 is 219 millimeters were taken out. Yeah. So once you take it out, how much is left to there? This is a 4, 9, 9, 10. That's a 1, 8, 7, 4. So how much is left to there? You are left over with 4 meters, 78 centimeters, and 1 millimeter. Okay, bata? Now see, 46 kilometers means 46,000. With the 53 will be 46,053. So 46,053 divide by 9. How many? That's a 5 left over 1. That's a 1 left over 1. That's how much? 1 left over 6 and a 7. The answer is 5 kilometer and 117 meters. The perimeter of the equilateral triangle and the rectangle are equal in the given figure. Find the length of a side. That means they are asking what is x value. This is x, this is x, this is x. That means it's 3x is equal to what, Pute? 5 plus 5, that's a 10. 13 plus 13 is 29. Yeah, 26. 26 with the 10 is 36. So 3 x's are 36. 1x will be 36 divided by 3, which is 12 centimeters. Each side is 12 centimeters. Find the length of the side of a equilateral triangle. Yeah, that is 12 centimeters. Next one. This is the way
I do not
how.
understand that question.
Okay, sure. Let's see today. Now you have a look with me, sir. This is the way Ranjit solved a problem given by his teacher to him, who got the highest marks for maths. Seriously. You got highest marks and you're using chart method. Very bad. So what's happening here, Pute? A times 5 is 5a. 5a minus 9 is 5a minus 9. And we know, we can see here, Pute, they are saying 5a minus 9 is 46. Then you are going backwards now. This is wrong direction, by the way. Now in this case, you are going backwards. Okay. Then to get rid of the minus 9, down here we do plus 9. That's a 5a, which is 5a, and 46 plus 5 is 45, 55. Then to get this is multiply by 5, so here divide by 5. Yeah, 5a divided by 5 is a, 55 divided by 5 is 11. So a equals 11. This is like equation solving, Pute. Equation solving, which you all know already. Here, 5a minus 9 equals 46. Yeah, minus 9 comes to the side as a plus 9. 5a equals then 55. Then multiply by 5 comes to the side as a divide by 5. That's 11. They have used a chart for it. Yeah. What is the answer of the above problem done by this person? A equals 11. Try the equation solved. He was solving the equation of 5a minus 9 equals 46. Solve this using the above flow chart. Okay. X is there. For x, you multiply by 3, it will become 3x. And that 3x, you add a 7, that will become a what, Pute? 3. Sorry, I wrote it wrong. You have to write the values on the line. X is there. For that x, when you do the operation of multiply by 3, that's a 3x. And that 3x, when you add a 7, that's a 3x plus 7. And we know that this 3x plus 7 is equal to how much? 19. So up here it's a plus 7, so it will come down as a minus 7. So 3x, this 3x then will be, can you see 3x here? This 3x will be 19 minus 7, that's a 12. So up here it's a multiply by 3, so this will be a divide by 3. And that will give us x answer. Here, can you see x? So x here. But 12 divided by 3, that's a 4. X equals 4. So we can write down, therefore, x equals 4. To buy 3 books with 1 book per rupees p and 2 pens with 1 pen 20 rupees. Wants 190. Build up an equation. So 3 books plus 2 pens are 40 equals 190. Solve and find the price of a book. So plus 40 will come to the side as a minus 40. 3p equals 150. Multiply by 3 will come to the side as a divide by p. And 150 divided by 3, that's a 58. Alrighty. Cool. Then Pute, let's quickly try to do the question number 3, and after that maybe we can have a break. Okay. For question number 3, I will give you all around maybe 8 minutes. Here we go. You have 8 minutes to do question number 3. We'll start. We'll start now. Are we done? Guys. Yeah. Okay. Let's see the last question here. The ratio of the amount of money with Dharmasiri, Hakim, and Ganeshan is this. Hakim had this much. So Hakim is the second person, and he has 1,500. Put a 3 to become 1,500. What should we do? Multiply by a 500, right? That means how much will Dharmasiri have? 8 times 500, which is 4,000. 4 times 500, which is 2,000, which is Ganeshan. If Hakim had this much, what is the amount Ganeshan had? 2,000 rupees. Find the total of 3 people. So 4,000, 1,500, 2,000. How much is that today? 7,500 rupees. What is more amount Dharmasiri had than Hakim? So Pute, we know Dharmasiri had 4,000, Hakim had 1,500. So how much did Dharmasiri had more than Hakim? 4,000 take away 1,500, which is 2,500. Don't forget rupees. Then, if the total amount they had is divided among 3 of them equally, that means this 7,500 got divided by 3. How much will each person get put there? 2,500 each person. Find the amount one of them had. Yeah, 2,500 will be there for each person. Got it, Pute? Everybody? Okay. So, as homework, please finish the rest of the questions. Yeah. Yeah. So let me put it in the chat as well. And please ensure you send it to me. You get it checked, yeah? Alrighty, guys. Then let's have a break for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, guys.
Bye.